This is part 2 of what's new in AutoCAD 2010, and what we're going to do here is primarily look at the new ribbon features in AutoCAD 2010. Now you'll notice that we have the Home tab here at the top of the screen, and as you can see we also have Insert, which is a new tab, and as you can see we can insert blocks, attributes, references, we can import, we can put data in, we can link and embed, and we've also got content here where we can use Autodesk Seek, which searches the Autodesk Seek website for content relevant to the keywords entered in this box here. We will cover that in more detail throughout the Quick Start course. We also have a new tab here, the Parametric tab. Now these are new features for AutoCAD 2010 only, and what they allow you to do is apply geometric and dimensional constraints to objects in AutoCAD, allowing you to parametric model within AutoCAD. So for example, I have a line here that is horizontal. I also have a line here that is at an angle. I want the angled line to always remain parallel to the horizontal line. So if I use the parallel constraint here, I click on it, I select the horizontal line first, and then I'm going to select the left hand end of the angled line because I want it to go from this point here. So I click here, and as you can see that line now will always be parallel to that line there. As you can see, that little blue symbol that appears indicates that they are constrained. What we also have is we have a new Manage tab, and this allows us to manage our AutoCAD drawings. So we have the Action Recorder, we have Customization, applications that can be run within AutoCAD. Notice as well now we have CAD standards. These have sort of taken a bit of a back seat over the last few years, and now we have a CAD standards panel on the ribbon so that we can run DWS files against DWG files. Another new tab is the Express Tools tab, and what this allows you to do here is work with the Express tools in AutoCAD. These have been around for quite some time, quite a few years, and a lot of these Express tools have been written by individuals or organizations that use AutoCAD. One of my favorites here is the arc aligned text. If I click here and come into the drawing, it prompts me to select an arc or some arc aligned text. I'm going to select my arc here, and as soon as I click there, it prompts me now to put the arc aligned text in the dialog box there. I can select a font or a text style. I'm going to select the Verdana font, and the text that I'm going to put in there is "This is arc aligned text," like so. So as you can see there, I've put some text into the dialog box. This is a metric drawing, so I'm going to make the text height 6 mm, and the text is going to be offset from the arc by 3 mm. When I click on OK, it takes a few seconds to think about it, and then what it'll do is it'll place that text around the arc for me. So as you can see, there's the arc aligned text. It does take a few seconds just to think about that sometimes, because it's actually figuring out how to place those letters aligned to that arc. So as you can see, lots of new features, lots of new smaller features available in AutoCAD 2010 to allow you to be more productive and more effective. We're going to cover all of the new features in AutoCAD 2010 throughout this Quick Start course.